Hello friends! For those of you interested in making a more natural soap using natural ingredients, this is a video for you. Today I'll be showing you how I make my popular orange patchouli soap. Patchouli is just one of those scents that's extremely polarizing. People either love, love, love it or just absolutely can't stand it. There's no in between. But I offer it because those that do love it always grab a bar or three. Patchouli lovers are obsessed. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I show you the behind the scenes magic of my soap and bath bomb business. If that's your jam, please subscribe for daily videos. If you've already subscribed, welcome back. And now, without much further ado, let's get right into it.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
I've combined my lye and water and set them aside to cool down. Next, I measure my hard oils and butters so that I can get them to start melting down in a double boiler.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants, and it's midnight?
Now it's time to measure and combine the rest of my liquid oils. For my recipe, I use olive oil, unrefined hemp seed oil, and castor oil.
He doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
I'm now measuring out my essential oil blend. I use both patchouli and orange essential oils for this soap. For safe usage levels of essential oils, I always refer to eocalc.com. Link is in the description.
Out of my league. You were born to be on this.
Now that my lye solution has dropped to below 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to blend it with my liquid and melted oils. First, I add my melted oils to my liquid oils and add kaolin clay. Then, I carefully pour my lye solution into the container.
Notice me, Somehow you noticed me, noticed me.
I pour about half of the soap batter into a separate container. One half will be my base color, and the rest will be my swirl colors. For my base color, I'm not adding any additional colors. The patchouli and orange essential oils naturally color the soap to a warm yellow. For mild exfoliation, I'm adding a teaspoon of orange peel powder and poppy seeds to this base color. I also add about half of my essential oil blend to the container. Watching soap batter blend in slow motion is so satisfying. Wow. These essential oils do not make my soap batter thicken too quickly at all, which is so nice. I think for my next soap video, I'll show you what working with a fragrance that accelerates trace is like. It's a lot more chaotic than this, I promise.
Whatever you decide to do, I will keep sending new ripples to you. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me, notice me. And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples. Somehow you notice me, notice me.
I've added the remaining essential oil blend to the rest of the batter, and now I'm going to pour it into the two separate containers. One color will be a soft pink, which I will achieve with rose kaolin clay, and the other color will be a gray purple that I get using alkanet root powder.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between, shedding tears or extremely happy. Got no one to stick around. Once my heart was in pieces, I told myself that was what I needed. The more I fell, drowning in doubt, needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith, to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed off, and then get rid of. I wanna love, still yearn for heartbreaks, like the